Wednesday listening test. Can you guess these three brands? Can you? Ruby, over to you.
Thanks, Brent. This soft drink is black and delicious and is one of the oldest companies in the world. What soft drink is it? Over to you, Ali.
Thanks, Ruby. This technology company has a fruit as its logo, and its products, although very good, can be sometimes very pricey. What is this company? Over to you, Pasha.
Thanks, Ali. This famous Swedish furniture maker is not only famous for its furniture, but also for its meatballs and hot dogs. What company is it? Back to you, Brent.
Thanks, Pash. Do you have them all three? Send us back your answers so that we can correct them. It's Wednesday and this is Business Week. So, good luck and let's get listening.